Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TuneIn login problems, app and account errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login problems with the TuneIn app, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Check if your Wi-Fi or cellular data is working properly. Next, close and reopen the TuneIn app. This action can help refresh the app and resolve minor glitches. If the problem persists, try logging in through the TuneIn website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TuneIn login page. Enter your credentials to see if the issue is related to the app. If you can log in successfully on the website, return to the app. Next, check for any updates. Update the app if a new version is available in your device's app store. Running the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. If you still can't log in, reset your password. Go to the login screen and click on the Forgot Password option. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once you've reset your password, try logging in again. If you continue to experience issues, clear the app's cache. Go to your device's settings, find the TuneIn app, and select Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and attempt to log in. If you're still having trouble, uninstall and reinstall the app. This process removes any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, contact TuneIn support for further assistance. Provide them with details of your problem for a more tailored response. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.